I get sales like this in my free Skool community, and I'm going to show you how I do it so that you can do it too, and how I'm going to run my high-ticket community that I'm launching in September. So here's the full process I use to get high-ticket clients with no pressure sales calls, and I simplified it into 3 steps for you. Step 1, this is why people don't get high-ticket sales. They don't have a good offer, and they're scared of sales calls. So the first step you have to take to close high-ticket sales and use no pressure on your sales calls is actually make a grand slam offer. A no-brainer, something that someone would feel stupid saying no to. So here's an example. I'll help you make $100,000 in 6 months. We've helped 1,000 people do it. It only costs $10K. No-brainer. A 10x return in 6 months is a really good deal if you ask me. And once you have a no-brainer offer, you can have the conviction inside yourself that what you're offering people is actually good. And then there's no pressure for them to buy because you're secure in what you have to offer, that someone will come along who's actually interested in it. Here's a story that might help. This guy was giving out actual gold nuggets, $1,000 each, and he had like 50 of them. So the first guy he walked up to looked confused and said no. But what did this guy do? The guy just told him no. The guy said, okay, and moved on. And didn't bother him. But why? The guy told him no. But the guy with the gold knew that he was offering literally free value, free money, a no-brainer, and all they had to do was say yes. This is the kind of offer that you need to make. And then you just have to tell people about your gold. And at that point, it's just a numbers game anyway. If you tell 90 people per day about your gold offer that you're giving them, you're gonna make a sale in no time. But if your offer is literal gold, you will get a sale a lot quicker. Now, I know this works because instead of 90 people, I only told 30 people per day, and I actually got sales. I still struggle with consistency, and I made my sale less than 1 month ago. I believe in you. Just tell more people. That's it. From a guy who's making $100K a month, this is what business truly is. You only need these 2 things: marketing and delivery. For me, my delivery is my time, my coaching. Now there's aspects to it that make your business a little more complex than that, but at its core, those are like the 2 things that you need. How to 1, tell people about your stuff, and 2, give them the good stuff so that they buy over and over again and tell their friends. So step 1 is make an offer so good people feel stupid saying no, so good it's literal gold. Step 2 is tell people about it. Doesn't get any easier than that. But what's step 3? Well, it's buy my course. No, just kidding, just kidding. Step 3 is actually don't stop. If you quit, you lose automatically. But in the game of business, as long as you're alive, you can still compete. And most people quit. So if you stay in the game long enough, you'll win by default. Plus, you get better over time. It's like riding a bike. At first you can't do it, then you figure it out, then eventually you can do backflips. But it just takes some time and a lot of trial and error. Or a teacher. If you have someone to teach you how to do it, you can really shortcut your way to success. So if you want to know the 5 steps that my teacher taught me about how to land my first high-ticket client for free, check out this video. Or don't, that's fine too.